Hi again. Today I'm going to show how to make a Caribbean side dish, and it's really easy and only requires just a few ingredients. So first off, you need 4 cups of flour, 3 tablespoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of yeast, 1 teaspoon of sugar. We used brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and then mix everything together. So the idea is to make a dough. So add a little water and stir it in, but put the water in little by little until it becomes doughy. Then you start to knead it. Cover it with a cloth and let it sit for about a half an hour. So after half an hour, when you're ready to separate the dough, rub a little oil on and roll it into balls. And then you can start to fry them. And you can eat this dish just like it is, or you can cut them open and put meat, veggies, or fish inside of them. So comment down below what you call this where you're from.